Hey there, singing addicts, it's your girl Nat. Welcome back to the channel. I am super excited for this week because I will be showing you how I do my makeup, whether it be for photo shoots, performances, video shoots, all that jazz. I just did my hair. I hope you like it. I got it cut. Now, I already cleaned my face using the CeraVe SA cleanser. It's the salicylic acid. I don't know if I'm saying that right. But yeah, so this is my favorite cleanser. And I used it today on my skin. And then I used these ordinary hydrators and oils, they call them. This is the hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5, which is a hydrating formula. And then this is the niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. It's a high strength vitamin and mineral blemish formula. So that's gonna help with your pimples and stuff. So I use these. And then last but not least, I use the CeraVe moisturizing lotion for normal to dry skin because mine's pretty normal. It does get dry and I do have dry spots sometimes, but for the most part it is pretty normal. So this is perfect. I love it, and a little bit goes a long way with this. The canvas is prepped. Are you guys ready? We're ready to do this? Okay, let's do it. So the first product that I like to use on my face just to get a nice base, kind of prime it, prep and prime as they call it here. This is the MAC Prep and Prime Primer. I usually pump it on the back of my hand right here, and I'm gonna use my washed hands to kind of just spread it around. I'm actually gonna take off my glasses. They need to go. I'm gonna look in the viewfinder because I don't have a mirror. So we're just gonna kind of like dab it lightly, kind of fill in all my pores, make sure I'm prepped and primed, y'all. You wanna look good. Done. This is it. This is just this really awkward red spot right there. It's not helping. But luckily that will disappear in a sec because I am using this NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. It is green, yes, don't be frightened. It's going to cancel out the redness, especially in this area. It only seems to be that little guy right there. So it's kind of like a lip gloss applicator. Dot it on our face, wherever red needs cancellation. And I'm just going to dab it so that it blends into my skin. It is not just a wet green blob. Next, we're going to use Rimmel London BB cream in the shade Light because your girl's a little pale. It works well. I never like to wear big amounts of foundation. I think my skin right now is really clear, and so I don't think I need a lot of coverage. Put a little bit on my hand. First, obviously, we're gonna go try and cover up whatever's happening on this side of my face with the green. And as you can see, look at that, it's gone. The green is gone. Freckles are coming in. Oh, who knew she had freckles? I don't use concealer, and a lot of people disagree, but you know what? Agree to disagree. I'm not a makeup artist. This is my non-requested makeup tutorial. I think that's good enough. So once the foundation is on my face and ready to be set in place, I use this blot powder from MAC. It's their pressed blot powder. It's been used for sure. It comes with a little powder puffy thingy. Setting my powder in place. Hi, close up. Boom, done, set. Before I forget, because my lips get really dry, I'm a mouth breather. We're just gonna hydrate, moisturize the lips. Now that my face is all set into place, I move on to eyes. I try to do my eyes first, especially if I'm going for something crazy. So we're just going to have to switch it up. I didn't think this one through, and there might be a little fallout, but we'll deal with it. We're going to move on to eyeshadow next. My two favorite eyeshadow palettes at the moment are the Morphe Bronze Goals and the James Charles palette, which is upside down. Sorry, James. Unleash your inner artist, y'all. So usually I would go with the Bronze Goals palette. If I was searching for, I guess, a more neutral tone look, I don't think we'll go for this one today because when I do performances or photo shoots, I go all out and make myself, you know, feel fierce and creative. What better palette to do that with than the Morphe X James Charles palette. Sorry, there's so many fingerprints on these things. It is one of my favorite palettes. Boom, boom, pow. It is gorgeous. So many fun colors, so many glitters as well as matte. Usually I would match my eyeshadow to the either top or the pant or even the accessory that I'm wearing. I'm not even gonna base this look on any particular thing, just to make it fun. We're gonna go with pinks and a little bit of white glitter maybe, and I'm just gonna walk you through it. Not many people do this, but I do prime my eyelids with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. Just like a primer, y'all. We're priming those eyelids just like we did for our face. You want to remove all the veiny look on my eyelids because I have really veiny eyelids. Like, excuse me, who told you could be that veiny, you know? Done with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. Now, on to the eyeshadow. I am first going to use the color Pinkety Drinkety on most of my lid. Okay, so we're gonna dip into Pinkety Drinkety and just cover my lid. On to the next eye. Boom, here it is. All right, so for my outer corner and my crease, I am going to use the shade Skip. It's more of a hot pink type shade. We're just gonna kind of deepen the crease, deepen the outer corner. Ooh, that is bright. So we're just aiming for that outer corner and kind of moving into the crease. In circular motions, blending it really nicely with the lighter pink. I don't know if I'm the only one who has this problem. I have more trouble with one eye than the other. It really depends on my day. Sometimes my left eye will look better, sometimes my right eye will look better. It really depends. It's never the same. So what I'm doing now is just continuing to alternate between the two shades until I am happy with the way it is blended. So you just keep going at it until you are happy with the final product. Okay, so I think I am happy with that. I just have Pinkety Drinkety on my lid and then the Skip shade on my outer corner and my crease. I might add some white glitter. I'm kind of feeling it. I don't know. I'm gonna decide. Give me a second. Hey y'all, what's up? I'm currently filming a video for Sing House and I'm doing my makeup and I was wondering, should I add glitter? I just added my Instagram story because your girl doesn't know. She doesn't know. And the first person to vote is going to decide. Yas queen. Nah, fam. That is the story. Aaliyah is the first person to check my story and she said, yes, queen. Yes, she wants glitter. She wants glitter. So we're gonna give her glitter. We're gonna give Aaliyah glitter right now. I don't know the names. Now, this white shade is Flashback. And that sparkly shade is Ring Light. So we're gonna use Flashback as kind of a base for the glitters. For maximum glitter application, I use the tiniest Morphe brush I have. I'm gonna try to get out of the way so I can focus. This thing right here. Hi, I have a bowl filled with water. So I just have a bowl with water because the glitters usually pop a little more. So I'm gonna use the shade Flashback. Now, we're gonna put that in our inner corner and kind of blend it out with all the other shades. And go in on the other side. Again, inner corner, be careful, don't blind yourself. So now that I've placed the Flashback shade on my inner corners, I am going to hop in to the Ring Light shade and just pat that on again with a little water. Glitter is life. So if you need to use your fingers, use them. Honestly, like, you were born with fingers, use them for something, you know? Okay, this is what it looks like so far. Blending needs to happen. I'm using that Skip shade again and kind of helping the eyeshadow out right now. Blend it. Ooh, look at that. Yes, I love it. Sometimes I like to go a little more fancy with my eye looks and add a little bit of liner. I use a shadow. I use this flat brush and I use the black shade in James Charles palette, which is Spooky. liner is done. Next, we are going to use an eyelash curler, and then for mascara, I use the Total Temptation by Maybelline. Maybe it's Maybelline, huh? Look at that magic. Look at the difference. Look at my lashes, they're long, they're voluptuous. Eyebrows, I don't do much. I don't think I need to like fill them in. They're already full. We're just gonna brush them through with my little Morphe spoolie. Blush. I love blush. Just gonna dab it on there. Usually I pass over my nose. I don't know why I like the way it looks. I like the way it looks. Now I look like I got a sunburn. Boom, done. This next product is probably one of my favorite products. Artist Couture highlighter in the shade Conceited. This stuff goes long way. We got the eyes, the face. Now I need the lip. For my lips, I usually use the Fenty Beauty in the shade Fussy. And it's just a simple nude pinkish color. Done. So that is the finished product. I hope that this tutorial has helped you figure out what you want to do for your next video shoot, your next performance, your next special event. I hope that you are inspired by this makeup look. Maybe you want to go out and buy more makeup and experiment. Makeup is about expressing yourself, as singing is for most of you guys watching right now. All right, so this is the makeup look in better lighting. This is the outdoor lighting. This is my in-room lighting. It's not as good, but the makeup look still looks fantastic. Good lighting. Ooh, look at that. Look at the eyes. Yes, the lips are popping, the face is popping. No imperfections, baby. No, no, no. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to hit that like button letting us know that you want to see more. And don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future vlogs, because summer is almost over and there's only a few left. I think you want to watch them. Tune in, watch every week. Bye guys. Love you.